Hello everyone. Today we will discuss beekeeping. Beekeeping. So the beekeeping means culture of honeybees. Culture of honeybees means beekeeping. So the honeybee colony, they contain various types of the honeybees. So the honey colony, they contain three types of the honeybees. Honeybee colony contain three types of the honeybees. First one, queen bee. Queen bee, drones, workers. So the honey colony, for example, so these are the honey. So this honey colony contain three various types of the honeybees is present. Three various types of honeybees present in the honey colony. First one, queen bee, drones and workers. Queen bee, drones and workers. First one, queen bee. 4 marks, very important question. Queen bee. First one, very important question. Queen bee. So the queen bee. So there are only one present in honey colony. So the entire honey colony, only one queen bee present in the honey colony. Honey colony, only one queen bee is present. Honey colony present only one queen bee is present. Only one queen bee is present. The queen bee lifetime 5 years. There is 5 years. The queen bee lifetime 5 years. Next one, the queen bee, they eating royal jelly. The queen bee eating royal jelly. The queen bee eating only royal jelly. The queen bee eating only royal jelly. Next one, the queen bee is fertile. They are the diploid. Fertile and diploid. Fertile and diploid. Next one, so this queen bee laying eggs. Queen bee laying eggs. Queen bee laying eggs. Queen bee laying only eggs. So the queen bee, they are living in 5 years. They are laying only eggs. Next one, so they are eating only royal jelly. They are eating only royal jelly. So they are the queen bee. Queen bees are the fertile and diploid. Fertile and diploid. Normally, so the honey colony, queen bee is only one queen bee is present. Only one queen bee is present. The queen bee laying eggs. Queen bee laying eggs. So these are the queen bee first 3 days, the larva stages. Larva stage, first 3 days. Larva, first 3 days, all the fertile females eating, first 3 days eating royal jelly. So they are the honey colony. Honey colony presenting on the queen bee. Only one queen bee. One queen bee laying eggs. After eggs, so they are converting to the larva stages. So this larva stages, fertile female larva stages, first 3 days eating royal jelly. After 3 days, only one larva eating royal jelly. Only one larva eating royal jelly. So these are developing to the queen bee. For example, so they are presenting in the many eggs. Many eggs. many eggs. So these many eggs, after few days they are converted into the larva stages. So these all larva stages, first 3 days, first 3 days eating royal jelly. First 3 days eating royal jelly. After 3 days, only one larva stage eating to the royal jelly. After 3 days, for example, so they are only one. So they are only one. After 3 days, so they are eating only one royal jelly. Royal jelly. So these are converting to the queen bee. They are developing to the queen bee. The remaining fertile females. So they are all the remaining fertile females. So they are converting to the workers. They are return to the workers. So the unfertile eggs, so they are the fertile eggs. Unfertile eggs, they are converting to the drones. Uncomfortable, unfertilized eggs, unfertile eggs developing to the drones. Unfertile eggs developing to the drones. So they are the honey colony. So the honey colony, only one queen bee is present. The queen bee, they are laying to the eggs. So the eggs, after few days, the fertile eggs converting to the females, unfertile eggs converting to the drones. So the fertile eggs, the larva stage, first 3 days eating to the royal jelly. After 3 days, only one bee eating to the royal jelly. These are converted to the queen bee. Remaining larva stages eating to the honey. So they are converting to the workers. Unfertilized eggs, they are converting to the drones. Unfertilized eggs converting to the drones. Unfertilized eggs is converting to the drones. So these drones functions, they are fertile to the queen bees. Means drones means they are the male bees. Drones means male bees. So these are these two fusion. So the queen bee releasing to the eggs. But so the workers function. So these workers are main function. So these are the collecting to the honey and wax. The workers function collecting to the honey and wax. So they are the drones, workers and queen bees. So the workers, they are living into the 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months. They are living 2 to 3 months. So the drones, they are living to the few days. They are living few days. Queen bee living in the 5 years. Queen bee living 5 years. So they are the various types of the honeybees. Queen bee, drones and workers. Drones function fertiling of the females, fertiling of the queens. Workers function collection of the honey and wax. Queen function everyday laying the eggs. So they are the honey bees. Next one, ecological importance of the honeybees. Ecological importance of the honeybees. So the honeybees are the more ecological importance. So the honey and honey wax, honey and honey wax and honey venom and propolis, honey venom and propolis. First one, honey, wax, propolis and honey venom. So they are the honey products, bee products. Honeybees laying to the honey and wax and propolis and honey venom. First one, honey. So the honey contain a fructose. So the more sweetest item, so they are the fructose. So the presenting on the honey. Next one, contain more vitamins, more glucose, more water. So the honey contain fructose, water, glucose and minerals. They are the honey. And honey also using to the so they are using to the Ayurvedic medicine. So the honey also using to the Ayurvedic medicine. Honey using to the Ayurvedic medicines. Next one, wax. Honey. The honey wax is a rich source of. So they are honey wax used in the preparation of cosmetics, preparation of cosmetics, candles. So the honey wax using to the preparation of cosmetics and candles. Next one, third one, propolis. Sir, used in the treatment of inflammation and burners. For example, burners. So in this region, so they are the burning. So the, for example, any region, so this region is burning. So the propolis are the using to the treatmenting of the burners. Next one, last one, honey venom. Honey venom. So this honey venom means, so they are taken from the workers. So the honey venom is taken from the workers. So these are the poison, honey poison. So this poison they are using to the treatment of the arthritis diseases. They are using to the arthritis disease persons. They are treatment of the using to the treatment of arthritis diseases. Next, last one, pollination. Last one, pollination. Pollination means, so they are the pollination means sunflower plants. So they are the pollination. So the honeybees are the pollination. Male and females are the pollination. So they are the honeybee importance. First one, honey. Next one, honey wax. Next one, propolis. Next one, honey venom. First one, honey. So the honey contain a more quantity of the fructose and glucose and water is present. Next one, wax. So the wax using to the preparation of the costumes and candles. Next one, propolis. So they are using to the treatment of the burners. Treatment of the burners. Honey venom using from the arthritis patients. Next one, pollination. So they are the honeybees and ecological importance.